What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, man. I had a big scare. Thought I lost my keys to the Nova.
Should have kept on going with it.
Yeah, my wife, she found them. Anyway, there she go. Anyhow, we changing the bulbs, putting brighter bulbs in there. I'm gonna take y'all to go to this Nova. Finally, we're doing some lab work where we test with parasitic draw. So I'm gonna take y'all out here to this Nova. I'm gonna do a cold start. Let's go in here.
On the track.
I'm gonna get my my jumper cable, charge it up, and we gonna get this ready to take it to school and do some electrical work to it. That's what I initially started school for, because that's why I got stuck at electrical work. And I just got tired of paying people, or you know, depending on other people to fix my car, you know. So I just started school. Anyhow, let's get all this stuff off of here. And knock the dust off of it. Let me open it up for y'all. Show y'all this big 6.0 and this Nova. Big 6.0. I ain't got none of them turbos and none of that stuff, but I still got an LS, y'all. Still got an LS. So whenever I decide to turbo it out, I can. So anyhow, we're gonna deal with these wires over here. This is these wires right here. I wish I had some light where I can show y'all. Yeah, these are wires we're gonna check for parasitic draw. I mean, it'll start, but it drains the battery. Yep, and this is a 6.0. So we're gonna do a cold start right now. I'm gonna charge my charge this up right here, and then we're gonna do a cold start. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. Give me a sec. Okay, y'all, I got my my booster. I'm gonna take it in the house and charge it, and then cold start this Nova. Hadn't been started in a while, so we're cold started. Let's see what we could do. Yep. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. My throat is kind of itchy, but I got my booster all charged up. It's charged all the way up. I charged it overnight. Okay, we finna go to the garage and get a Nova boost and do a cold start. Let's go. Okay, y'all, let me clean up over here. I got my Christmas tree behind it. I just moved in, y'all, so gotta clean this garage out so I can work on this car. Let me move some of this stuff around. I'm gonna get y'all a cold start. Okay, let's go put this on here. Oh man. Man, I'm kind of sore from going to school, working on cars, man. I ain't used to doing this every day. But let's go ahead and get this started. Let's get this thing started. Get this parasitic draw situation done. Everything else. Let me move this battery off. Okay. Is this thing on here right? Alright. I had to override it so I can get it started. That let us know that something is going on with it. I had to override it just to jump it, so that let us know something is going on with the charging system. We got somebody back there. What's that? Okay, let's get it started, y'all. We put y'all over here so we can get this cold start. First time it's been started in about a month, y'all. Take it to school. Do some maintenance work on it. Like we're idling a little high, so I'm gonna have to do some adjustments on that thing. I have to cut it off. It ain't been started in a while, y'all, but I'll see y'all at school on Monday, man. I'm gonna do a video on when I get to school tomorrow, and I appreciate it if y'all like, share, and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. I got a lot of people that's watching, but nobody subscribe. Appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'm out.
Ace Banks on the track.